Friends, thank you so much for tuning to my channel. Ngiyabonga, ngiyalavuha. If you haven't checked my previous videos, please go and check them and give them a thumbs up and comment as well. Today I have a different video for you. I'm going to get ready for a date. I have an evening date tonight, so I'm going to do my makeup. If you're a simple girly like me, this video is definitely for you. I don't like the complex type of a makeup, so I'm going to do a soft glam, and then I hope you're going to learn a thing or two. Without wasting much time, let's get to the video.
I'll be there when the lights don't shine. I'll be there in the sleepless nights. I'll be there, make you feel alright. I'll be there, I'll be there. I'll be there when the lights don't shine. I'll be there in the sleepless nights. I'll be there, make you feel alright. I'll be there, I'll be there.
The silhouette's burning, embers rising high, like a chemical fire. The flame won't die. Intertwine, darling, you and I. Barely scratching the surface. This obsession of mine is feeling the furnace. I'm up all night and we're intertwined, darling, you and just a false echo. I'm a ghost. Did I lose my mind in your mercury eyes? Am I going blind? You're the reason why.
You find what you've been looking for. Trust me, I don't wanna feel no more. Never mind, I'm thinking out loud before we draw a crowd. Reel it in, take it easy, there's no need to scream and shout. would you break me? Feel it in my bones, I'm about to lose control. Only so much I'm taking, so get yourself to safety. Cause baby, a storm is coming. You better heed the one and pray. Don't stay, run away, 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 away.
You see there? This is the final results, guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you've learned a thing or two. I tried as much to show the products that I've used and do the process in a slower pace so that you can all understand everything that I've done on the face. Wish me luck on the date, and if you like the video, please give it a thumbs up and comment under the comment section. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.